Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRD, and once again I am just with you here, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are new in our channel. So today in this video I am going to cover the things which you actually don't know about the trade. So let's show you now. So first of all, if you want to join this and if you thinking that if you also want to work, so go in the description, click the link, join from there, and let's start trading. So first of all, may I show you one thing here. This is home, and one thing more, because many in your minds creating that how it is work, how you have to work, you are working in it, how actually you can buy it. So today in this video I am going to show you that how I have purchased the trade here and how I have invested in about it. Okay, so let's begin with this. First of all, I am going to show you that where this is my wallet. First of all I am going to show you my wallet. In my wallet, rupees 11.99 is left. Okay, so where is another amount? So I have tell you one thing, I have invested in the trade. So let I see, you are watching here that it is showing total worth is 4,704.75. so it's mean in which trade I have just put it. So that is I am watching here. Yeah, I got it. You can see here 0.0066422. here I have invested. What actually it had been, you can see, if I am invested here, it means what actually I have to go in the just in notification, and there is two option, update and for you. So in for you will see here I have placed now, today is 12th July. so I have just placed here trade. So you can see here 66422 and being bought to the actual rate is in rupees this. So I have put it here. So according to us, you can also put the trade here, but after putting it, when I have to buy, when I have to sell, this thing I have to tell you that how you can get the profit actually here. So everything I will cover. First of all, how to do the deposit, how to withdraw amount from this Bitbns. So many things I am going to cover it, but one thing more, go in the description if you are interested really to get the profit from this platform. So join from your given below link. Okay, so now I am going to click on in my trade. Now you can see here it's actually my trade here, and below you will see here actually it is appearing the rate here. So you can see this rate is actually 7,812.75. so recently actually this is the actual rate. So one thing more, again I'm going to show you that we have purchased this thing in 0.006422. when I am writing here 0.06666, it's actually, again I have to show here, it's actually 66422. 66422. so it's actually 4,719.36. but when you will see here exactly, so you will find actually that actual our current rupees we are when we have seen, so that is how much, 4,704 up to something. So we are losing here up to 10 rupees, not 10 rupees, it's up to 13 to 14 rupees. So when I will get the profit, when I will take when I will sell out, and when I will do the withdrawal. So for that inquiry, let I show you many things here which you can be able to understand easily. Recently the price of here with this trade is 708,312, and now I am going to do what, now I am going to sell here for the example. Now when I am going to put the same value, you can see here in our wallet that is showing that you have this much amount. Okay, now I am just putting this thing here, and now I am going to see below where amount is there, what's the actual selling amount. So I am watching here, and I am seeing that the actual I am getting the value 4,692. It's mean I have invested here 4719 at the beginning, and I am in the loss of 4692. It means if we do the minus of 4719 with 92, so from there 19 and from there 8, so here 20 6 27, so 27 rupees I am in loss. Okay, so why it's happened? Because why I am in loss of 27 rupees, let's I show you. Because it, and after you will see, after some times I will get the profit more than this, more than it. Okay, how is it possible? Let's see. Because I have purchased this plan now only in 10:45 p.m. in 12 July, today only. Just I am hope it's 12 o'clock, maybe just 1 to 2 hours it's going on to buy it. So when I have bought that time, market is 7,8,312.75. okay, after some few hours I am watching here this graph. Actually I will see here that when this valuable trade will go above, you can see here, actually here it is striking, or may I'm just doing the increasing the screen size. Now you can understand easily. Now you can see here, actually here is the striking price. So at what strike price it is showing? 7,08,539. when it will rise like this, but it's actually I am explaining you, but when it will rise, so it will show the fluctuation. Actually recently you can see from here to here it is no any kind of fluctuation, but when I am going to get the fluctuation, so it will show there. So for the example, in some time previous, you can see here the value reach up to on 10th July 7,14,036, and recently it is 7,8,312. So I have purchased this amount now. Why? Because it is low, and after some days when it will get high, then only I can be able to get the profit. If already I had purchased, for the example I am saying, if already I have purchased the amount in this value when it's reached 7,15,000, so it will go decrease the amount. So how I can get the profit? That will make me some loss. So when actually we are purchasing when market go low, so it's a simple market. You can able to understand, if the price of any product is low or maybe less, so that time we have buy that product, and when it's become high on the market, we have sold that product. So this is the simple technique here which we are basically using. You can be also able to earn very easily from it, and hope you can understand now everything how is actually mechanism work here. So if you are got so much fun and interested in this video, and you feel that you have felt happy for this watching and getting info about this video, so don't forget to comment your opinion, because I am going to read and reply such all the comments, and hope you have enjoyed so much. I will continue from the next video where you can get the how to withdraw the amount, how to deposit the amount, many things more. Any question arising to in your mind related about these trades and Bitbns account, you can easily just write the comment below, and I can be able to give you question answer related about your question. So I am going to meet you in the next video. Give me time for next to preparing the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click the red button just below the subscribe is showing there, and just be connected with us all every time. I am going to meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, and hope you have enjoyed a lot this video. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.